I'm going to show you how to lay out a rafter. It's going to be a common rafter for about a small shed with a span of 14 feet and a run of 7 feet. There's two ways to go about doing it. You can do it one with the step-off method where you use a framing square and you lay it down, you go across with your pitch and you run it down. Or what I'm going to be doing today, you do it the theoretical method where you use your tape measure and your speed square. This is, to me, is easier because you can go through it a lot faster and you lay them out faster. Now the pitch for this is going to be an 8-12. The pitches can range anywhere from about 2-12 to about 12-12. Now to find on your speed square, you come and you can turn it to the dial, which is common for the common rafter. You lay it to the 8-12 pitch. Now first you lay it to the corner of your board for your ridge, and you set it for your 8-12, and then you take your pencil, make sure it's sharp, a nice good carpenter pencil, and you make your mark. Now, off of that, you will find you have to do the Pythagorean theorem for your pitch. For an 8-12 pitch, it comes out with a hypotenuse of about 14.42. You multiply that by your run of 7. So then, when you do that, it equals out to about 100.94 inches. So it's about 100 inches with 15/16. So first, you lay it to the edge of your ridge board, and you come down 100 inches and 15/16, and you make your mark. That will be your house line. Off of that, you take your speed square, you lay out for your 8-12 pitch again. Put it up, that's 8-12, make your mark. Now, then you have to add in for the overhang. With this overhang, it's going to be about 8 inches. So you come down onto your ridge board, and you come out 8 inches, you make a mark. Off that, you lay out your 8-12 pitch again. Now after you've done that, you add in for the fascia. The fascia can go anywhere from about a 2x4 to a 2x6. And how you do this is, the 2x4 fascia, you're going to come in 1.5 inches and make a mark. And you come down 3.5 inches and you make another mark. After you're done making your marks, you take your speed square, or if you're doing it the step-off method, you take your framing square, and you lay out for your plumb line. You go to your 8-12, you make a mark going down, and then you come across down your 3.5 inches, coming out your 8.5, make your 8-12 mark again. Then you come down to the bottom. You have to make sure this is a plumb cut. This is going to be the end of your rafter tail where the fascia goes into. And make sure you lay it to the edge and run across. Then, what you're going to do is you're going to lay out for your seat cut. The seat cut is where the wall is going to include the wall thickness and the sheeting. With this, it's going to be about a 4-inch seat cut. So you come up about 4 inches, end of your board, and make a mark. Then after you've done that, you lay up to your house line with the end of your speed square, your house line, and you take it across, make sure it's flush, and make your mark. Afterwards, you're going to come back up, and you're going to subtract out the ridge. Because the ridge, it's going to be, since it's 2x10, it's about 1.5 inches, so take out half of it. So when it comes together, it'll make it nice and flush. So you're going to take about 3/4 of an inch, you go 3/4, make a mark, and you take your speed square, your 8-12 pitch, set it up, make your mark. That's where you're going to cut, and then you're done.